Hey y'all, Southerners are people who know how to show up with food, whether it's to a family who might have lost a loved one or to someone who's welcoming a new baby into their house. We know what we're doing when it comes to casseroles. So I have a lot of great recipes for the next time that you're asking yourself the age-old question, what can I bring? In the South, we all know our neighbors, and we usually meet them when they show up with a 9x13 full of butter and cheese as soon as we move in. Now, I have two different recipes in the instance of getting a new neighbor. One casserole that's perfect for new neighbors with kids, and the other one that's good if they don't have kids. The very first one, baked chicken spaghetti, with a sauce that is super cheesy and creamy and so much chicken, even the pickiest of eaters will forget about the tomatoes. My second casserole that's perfect for new neighbors, turkey tetrazzini. Now, this is great for new neighbors without kids because it's a step up from chicken spaghetti, and it also saves them from another night of pizza while their cast iron skillet is still packed away in some box somewhere. This is a must try. Another instance when it's super common for a casserole to show up at your door in the South is when you have a new baby, for a lot of reasons. One, it shows the new parents that you care. Two, it saves them from cooking when that is the last thing on their mind. And three, it's always appreciated whenever they have something to serve the revolving door of guests that constantly come in to help with or visit the new baby. I have two casseroles that are great for bringing to new parents with a newborn. Very first one, creamy kale and pasta bake. It comes together in about 30 minutes, so you can bring it over there hot and fresh, and I know it will be appreciated. There are a lot of great things about this kale and pasta bake. One, it's super easy. Two, takes no time at all. And three, it will be very much appreciated by the family that is receiving it for a lot of reasons. It's creamy, it's comforting, and it's super healthy. So even visiting in-laws that are in town for helping out with a newborn will appreciate this casserole. I mean, like, what more could you want? It's like fancy adult mac and cheese, packed with flavor, packed with nutrients, so comforting, so creamy and warm, and will be so welcomed by new parents. The second one I have is a croissant-and-sausage bake. It is freezable, which is great because a lot of new parents are bombarded with food, and something that can go in the freezer is much appreciated. And also, for an up-all-nighter sort of night, this is very welcoming in the morning, especially when a new grandmother can just pop it in the oven, let the parents get some sleep, and it's great for all of those people that always come in and out of a house whenever a new baby is around. Now, we can't talk about occasions in the South where it's common to bring a casserole without mentioning a few sad ones, like if someone is sick or there's been a death in the family. The ultimate funeral comfort food recipe in the South has got to be Hashbrown Casserole. I can't think of anyone that has ever been on the receiving end of a Hashbrown Casserole that has not received at least a little bit of comfort. This is so delicious, so comforting, and so warm. Southern mamas will all agree that anything that is warm and creamy and full of chicken will cure any ache that ails you. And that is why this creamy chicken, broccoli, and pasta bake is perfect for anyone who might have someone who is sick in their family. It is perfect for anyone in a time of need. I am so excited to dig into this one because it's the one that I've been most excited about for this entire video. Mostly because you really can't go wrong with tortellini and chicken and broccoli and cheesy sauce and crunchy Ritz crackers because it's just so yummy. I would definitely want this when I'm sick. Another one of my go-to recipes is an old-fashioned chicken pot pie. And let me tell you, it's a labor of love, but it is well worth the effort. And whoever receives it will know all of the love and thought and care that you put into it because it is just so delicious. Recipes like these are also perfect to make and then keep in your freezer for times of need. You don't always know when someone is going to pass away or when someone is going to be sick. And I love to keep casseroles in my freezer ready to go for this instance. Creamy chicken filling packed with comforting veggies. Anything with chicken in it is always so much more comforting. Ugh, delightful. and a really thin but flavorful crispy crust. Anyone that gets this chicken pot pie will love it. I have so loved going on this casserole deep dive with you. I feel like really any of these recipes are perfect for any occasion, but if you have a go-to casserole recipe that you love to bring to someone who is welcoming a new baby or is a new neighbor or going through a time of grief, I would love to read about your favorite recipes in the comments. If you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and if you're watching on YouTube, click the bell so you never miss an episode of Hey Y'all. Bye, y'all.